everybody, and welcome to the party. The party. What do you think, Charles?
Well, I think it's marvellous, old boy. What do you think?
Exactly, Charles, exactly. I believe it's a special occasion for somebody over here in the room. Oh yes. Happy birthday, Janet.
Of course! Happy birthday, Janet, and I would like to thank all of you for coming as well. It is such a great pleasure to see you here this evening.
Indeed, indeed. Thank you all for coming tonight. It is a spectacular celebration, and I hope everybody's having a really marvellous time. Now, I do believe there was something mentioned about a lightning crowd.
Well, old boy, did you not read the latest Oxford Dictionary? It's more of a flash mob that she wants.
You want me to flash my what?
No, old boy, keep your clothes on. Nobody wants to see that for the next couple of years. A flash mob.
Oh, that's when all and everybody just dances around. Imagine trying to get this lot into the same space all at once. Rehearse. No, boy, no, boy. We may have to try something a little bit different. Well, enjoy, Janet. I hope you like it.
Yes.
Ta-ta.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, 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 come on. Ooh, it's something magical. It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on. I don't need no reason, don't need control. I fly so high, no ceiling when I'm in my zone. Cause I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop, stop, stop. Under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance. Stop the feeling, yeah. So keep dancing. Oh, yeah, yeah. I can't stop the. 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 Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good creeping up on you, so just dance. Oh, yeah, yeah. I can't stop the. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. I can't stop the. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. I can't stop the. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. I can't stop the. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you're going to be in
Phil's
the
is in the bloopers with us. He's watching and judging without participating. I think it really works.
Right, you hear the music?
2, 3, 4.
You've heard the music.
Oh right, we were doing the video. Okay. Right. Okay.
You've heard the music.
We all go off.
Hang on, Andrew, just let me tell you. Sorry, is that stop?
That's fine. Right. Oh! See, talk. Right. You can hear the music. Look off the screen and go.
You're in the middle, if you're facing the camera straight.
Remember, if you can see the camera, Janet can see your face on the video.
Okay.
So
If you feel like you want to hide behind someone, that's your call. But Janet will not see you on the night. So, your call. There's no pressure.